Excelsior's the way to go. Boy, you fit in your education around everything else that you've got going on.
Just like they say, from start to finish, they're with you. And they really want to see you accomplish the goal.
Outstanding. Happy to be here.
Never give up. Never, never, never give up.
Excelsior College for me was a very simple decision.
The people that helped me plot my pathway through Excelsior were wonderful.
I found Excelsior to be great in the fact that courses and classes would start every month.
They assured me that, no, we're here to help you, and you're doing fine.
I could focus on, I need this and this and this, get those done, get the degree, maximize the time with the family and the disruption of work, and it was great.
The whole process of applying and getting all my transcripts in to buying books. Everybody has just been so helpful.
With my instructors that would promptly respond to my emails and my requests.
Every week, advisors motivate me.
It's been a great experience. I say, what a ride. That's how I end. And what a ride.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I found that taking the online courses with Excelsior were the best fit for my life. The opportunities that it opens up for you makes it all worth it. I want to thank Excelsior for making my dreams a reality. Their nuclear engineering program provided me the opportunity to obtain my bachelor's degree while balancing the demands of active military duty and day-to-day parenting responsibilities. It made what seemed impossible possible for me, and I will forever be thankful to Excelsior.
Congratulations. Very proud of her. Yay! Awesome.
Now that I have my bachelor's in business, I have the confidence to know that it will always be there. Nobody can take that away from me. I can have it on my resume for the rest of my life. What I like about online courses is the fact that I can just take my class anywhere, anytime. I do have a disability. Not being able to hear in a traditional classroom is an inconvenience. So being able to sign on and do my classes right there in a computer screen and not have to worry about not hearing or missing out on information. The person who helped motivate me complete my degree would be my husband. He just kept me going. When you have online classes, you have that flexibility to get out to leave. Take a break, take a breather, being able to turn off the computer for an hour, go do what you have to do, and then come back fresh and pick it back up. I have some co-workers who asked about Excelsior, and I work at another university, and they asked, well, why did you go there? Excelsior could offer me a little bit more in my position. I had more flexibility and more freedom that I couldn't get at that university. They offer so many different courses that I can take. I can take them anywhere, anytime, kind of open their eyes and made them realize that Excelsior is a great place to go.
Outstanding. Happy to be here.
This is where I want to be. Right now.
Right now, this is where I want to be.
Never give up. Never, never, never give up.
I encourage
everybody to come here.
You will learn.
You have more inside of you than you actually realize.
You have to dedicate time.
Don't be afraid, you'll learn it. Classmates will teach you, instructors will tell you what to do.
You shouldn't be scared. Anybody can do it.
People will walk into your life and give you essentially the help that you need.
Go for it.
Whatever you need to do to make it, utilize it because it's there for you.
Everybody from us has different speed, but if you have goal, you can do it. And when it's done, it's great satisfaction. It's great satisfaction.
I kind of faded out of school. I just lost interest. So it was really hard for me to take that step to come back. I was thinking, what's the point? I didn't know what I wanted to do. I didn't know what I wanted to major in, and it was easy to blame it on I didn't have time. I work 40 hours a week at my local community college, and I am married with 2 kids.
Yay, mommy, right?
I needed something that was flexible, so Excelsior College and the online system felt like it fit into my lifestyle better. In dealing with the advising department and the different academic areas when I was trying to find out what I was going to major in, that's what really made me decide on Excelsior College. Everyone was accessible. Instead of taking classes, I was able to test out of a couple of classes. I was like, wow, maybe this is doable. I was able to get help every step of the way. Every test I took, I got someone to help me from the school, so the support really helped push me through it. So it really wasn't as scary as I built it up in my head. Just taking that first step and actually doing it. I have friends now from all over the world. I never expected that with an online school. My experience at Excelsior College was wonderful. Every professor that I had was involved and accessible, and I really felt like I had the college experience.
This has been a dream of mine since I was 5 years old.
That outreach was very helpful to make up my mind to, leave the school I was struggling with and go somewhere that really seemed to want me and want to cater to what my life situation was.
Outstanding, happy to be here.
Made it more seamless to go back to school.
But they highly recommended it for people with families and other responsibilities.
To come out of your most difficult, most challenging, most stressful goal in your life, and to know you finished it creates a sense of high self-confidence, high self-worth, and these are things that you can't put a price tag on. And that's what this degree really means a lot to me.
I look forward to the challenges ahead of me, and I know Excelsior College is there with me every step of the way.
Actually, I already recommended several soldiers to Excelsior.
The military benefits paid for my entire college degree program, so that's awesome.
Outstanding, happy to be here.
Never give up. Never, never, never give up.
because Excelsior has such a great relationship with the military, and because all 4 military branches, Excelsior is one of the, if not the main university that the military uses, I knew that their reputation was impeccable and they had their right accreditation.
When I went into the advisor, they advised me on what type of tuition assistance I had available, and that if you wanted to, you can use the tuition assistance, and then once you came off active duty orders, you would be able to use your post 9/11 GI Bill.
There's a lot of the students that I interacted with that were from Afghanistan, Iraq, a lot of soldiers, and there was a camaraderie.
There is communal activities over there and a communal internet service that you can go and do these classes. And if I ever did have any internet problems, I could go there and take a Excelsior test or review my course material there.
I would recommend using Excelsior College because of the way they cater to your needs, and basically it's a smooth process, a transition from what we're used to in the military when we're seeking education. And by far, Excelsior College definitely has exceeded all expectations that I had.
What I found with tests is once you get one under your belt, you know, you've kind of, you know, made your own path. You've made your own way.
Outstanding. Happy to be here.
Never give up. Never, never, never give up.
It is a little bit different type of format. You have to be very disciplined and structured to be able to study at your own pace and to be able to keep on the coursework.
I have a schedule for my exams, so I know it's like in 2 months or 2.5 months I should take my exam.
Excelsior tests have a format with them. There's an outline that you follow, there's a study guide, so it essentially can keep you on track.
I have to say that I really enjoyed it. It was very easy to access the exams.
I just followed the instructions and the recommendations, read the book, did the practice exams, and I just tried to be calm and not be anxious about the test. And after the test, I was able to celebrate.
When I was 5 years old, I was denied the opportunity to go to school because I was a girl.
Experience in school, especially right before I graduated high school, I have to be honest, was very confusing. Not sure whether higher education was the track that I was supposed to take.
It's always difficult to deal with the language. I think that is the most difficult part of being an immigrant here, because you can have the better ideas, but if you don't know how to express them and make other people understand your ideas, they don't worth nothing.
My father only had a 3rd grade education, and my mother had an 8th grade education. Many times you have to quit school and go to work and help the family. One of the elements or one of the components of continued promotion in the military is to have not only military education but also civilian education. And at each duty station that I would go to, I would accumulate more college credit. So I investigated some local colleges, went to the local university, sat with a counselor, and went through my records, etc., and then those dreaded words again. Well, I see you have 90 credits, but we're only going to be able to take 60.
Excelsior will take all the credits we bring from our country and give us a boost to get ahead in our careers. I like the idea of Excelsior, meet wherever you are.
From one night with no degree, I went from the next morning with a degree and being hired by Central Texas College in the Sinai in Egypt to teach courses to soldiers that were stationed there.
After I finished my bachelor's degree in Excelsior, I realized that the opportunity that these have offered to me, I started moving up in my career, and I realized that this will be a great opportunity for my friends. They are very happy because they haven't had to stop working in their jobs. I had graduated, I finished my bachelor's degree in America. I was very proud of myself.
No doubt in my mind, without this degree, I would not be doing the things I'm doing. I'm of the opinion that it can really fulfill people's dreams and change their lives.
I wanted to earn my bachelor's degree, so my community college advisor told me about the preferred partnership with Excelsior College. It was a great solution. I was able to transfer more than 80% of the credits I needed for my degree. Plus, I got credits for my military service and some work experience. With only a few more courses, I will earn my bachelor's degree from Excelsior. Excelsior's academic advisors made it easy to figure out a degree plan that fit my job path. A lot of my courses already sync up with Excelsior, even some of my upper-level classes. And it's so helpful to reach out to other Excelsior students and faculty. There's so much amazing support. Library resources, a career center, free tutoring. Affordable? You bet! I saw significant dollar savings with discounted tuition and fees. Plus, I got federal financial aid. Excelsior's flexible payment plan made it all doable, even on our tight family budget. Excelsior took away all the obstacles. I feel confident and proud that my kids will see me earn my college degree. Community college gave me a good start, but Excelsior is giving me a great future.
I'm an RN with a bachelor's degree. I'm working on my master's degree online, between shifts and around my schedule.
You know, I have a career, I'm a mother of 3, and I'm finally finishing my liberal arts degree online.
I got college credits while serving my country. Now I'm finishing my criminal justice degree online. Isn't it time you finished your degree? Excelsior College, start to finish.
Writing support is available for everyone at the Excelsior College Online Writing Lab. Multimedia resources make this OWL unique with quizzes, videos, interactive PDFs, and a video game. Access it 24/7 from your desktop or mobile device. Walk through every step from reading and analyzing instructions to editing, polishing, and finishing a paper. Begin with pre-writing strategies and audience awareness. Practice your skills by putting the steps to a successful paper in order. Humor, zombies, and memes bring grammar, usage, and punctuation to life. Learn the major rhetorical styles commonly used in college writing. Writing in the 21st century is more than just papers. Learn strategies for creating presentations, blogs, discussion boards, and social networking posts. Proving that writing can be fun, try your hand at Paper Capers, a game that reinforces important rhetorical concepts and writing steps. Learn new skills or polish old ones in a supportive and engaging environment, guiding you through the writing process from beginning to end. owl.excelsior.edu